Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am doing the hexagon shelving things. I seen them on Pinterest. I even got this idea off Pinterest. I haven't seen anyone on YouTube that I have subscribed to use it. So I'm just gonna make this video pretty quick for you guys. Don't want it to have to be any longer agonizing as possible. I did end up using the tacky glue. It was the best one, that gold and purple one right there. Yeah, so I kind of just laid it like normal. It's pretty simple, self-explanatory. It's not really too hard. You just kind of map it out however big you want. I wouldn't advise using a hot glue gun unless you feel like you're fast enough. I kind of was trying to fill the mold. I like the tacky glue because if it slid or it moved a little bit, I can push it back a little bit in time. Or if I made a mistake, I could always fix it. If I caught it in time. Now this is about 5 or 6 stacks up. Just wanted to show you guys how it was going so far. I had a problem with it slanting really hard and I was kind of confused, but then it makes sense. I wasn't adding the extra popsicle stick. So I had a bright idea to break the sticks in half and add them and glue them on top of it. So individually on the ends, break off a half as you can see, and keep applying them to the popsicle sticks, kind of to make up for that missing edge. So now I'm actually doing this method. I do put another popsicle stick on top of that. Don't think that I just keep adding halves. No, I do a half and a whole. So keep that in mind as well, and just kind of keep stacking. I mean, it's a pretty simple DIY hack, but I just really like it because I did the whole entire thing for under $10, which I mean, for them to run $35 on, I've seen on Pinterest some of them run $35, $40. I think that's a pretty nice deal. I'm all about getting the sales. I'm the cheapest person you guys ever have met. Trust me, even though you've never met me. But anyway, so this is kind of like it all finished up. I only had a few popsicle sticks left. Where I broke them in half, I did use 2 whole packs, but it did affect how many I had. So it could have been higher, which you'll see later on in the video. I did one with 2 full packs. You'll definitely see the height difference, but I still am really satisfied with it. I think it looks beautiful, and I think I did great for my first time doing big crafts like this. So yeah, I know you see my hot glue gun in the back. I did not use that, I promise. I tried and it didn't really work very well. But yeah, so this is it at the end. If you guys are really picky on perfection and stuff like that, you can definitely sand it down. They do have sandpaper at the dollar store as well, but I wouldn't really suggest that just because it's all about, you know, the imperfections. Like, that's what makes it look even better. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick what spray paint I used. I only used the spray paint because it was in my house. So don't think I was using it to decorate or to look a certain way or anything like that. This was literally just because it's all I had, and it's what my husband bought. It's flat black. I don't like the color outcome. I wish it could have been a little bit better, but I don't think it looked bad for what I had and what I had to deal with. So this spray paint is at Walmart for $2.97, I believe. It has a pretty good bit of spray paint in it. So I didn't even use probably a fourth of it on these 2 shelves, so I thought it looked pretty nice. And it does say it dries indoor and outdoors for 10 minutes. Now, if the weather is really cold outside, like here it's snowing. Of course, I'm in Montana. It was snowing, as you can see. Look at the snow. It's really cold. So it was snowing, so I had to spray paint it outside really quick and then drag it inside really quick. The spray paint can affect how it looks, how it goes. It can affect how it dries. It takes a lot longer if it's really cold. So you can do my method. So I brought it in right after, and this is what I'm showing you guys right now. I did fix up those patches you do see. It looks a little bit inconsistent. That's why I hate the flat black, because it gives a matte look on top of wood, which wood already makes colors look really matte because it absorbs, I think. So I didn't really want it to look shiny, but I would really rather have had a silver color, which I will do a silver one probably very, very soon. But yeah, this is me just kind of, after that one's completely finished and I really like the outcome, I was like, shoot, I have to make the other one now. So I decided to wait till that one was completely finished to see if I liked it enough to make this video or not. So this is me kind of using it as reference. I laid the bottom stick, that stick, see, I'm kind of guiding you with my fingers how I laid glue. and then you just keep adding it. Just remember to add your half and then your whole on top of the outer ones.
But that's okay.
But it's pretty self-explanatory. I am using a hot glue gun, and this is why I'm telling you guys I would advise using it. Just because you have to be so quick, and if you apply the wood wrong, it shows, and you have to literally break it apart. And if your 5-6 stacks up, it's not a good thing. So I would definitely advise you guys to do that. If you're liking this video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Let me know how I'm doing. I'm trying to be persistent this year with my videos. I've been falling off really bad. So I did use 2 whole packs of this. This is the other one. I see the difference. The height difference is completely different. I did break smaller popsicle sticks in half instead of breaking the bigger ones. The big ones really do hurt your hands, so watch out. But yeah, I kind of wanted a bigger one anyways to set more heavier or wider stuff on. So I was completely satisfied with that. If you do have to buy them, the smaller popsicle sticks are at the Dollar Tree. Every item that I have except my spray paint is at the Dollar Tree. I love the Dollar Tree. So if you don't like the inconsistencies, you can sand it. If you're OCD, you can measure it. I didn't really have measurements. I kind of went off what I seen. That's the one I made, and it looks completely ugly, but this is the finished result. I thought it looked pretty bomb.
I know it's on top of a box.
I am completely satisfied with it. I had to do a voiceover because God knows all the sounds that were in the background. But I used my elephants kind of as display. The one on top, I definitely shouldn't have did. Make sure you're doing this on a very flat surface. I was not whenever I had made the top one, and I completely regret that because it looks like I was drunk making it. But I am planning on making about 6 or 8 of these, kind of like the open hexagon things to put in my new room that I'll be moving into. So I just kind of threw up whatever I had out just to show you guys kind of how cool it looked. Thought it looked awesome, but knowing me, I'm extra. I decided to add gems to it, which I will show in just a few minutes. I had a random idea and I was like, hot glue gun some gems. It'll look nice. It'll look bougie. Like, it really does it with black. I don't think that it was a very smart idea. But knowing me, I'm like, no one can tell me no, and I decided to do it anyways. So I don't really know what I'm talking about right here, but if you guys have any like ideas or anything that you want me to try to recreate, you can always comment down below. I'm open to ideas and suggestions. So this is like the complete and utter finished look. I think maybe in the right environment area it looks okay. Hopefully you guys don't strangle me for adding those gems on there, but you know, it is what it is. We live and we learn, and that's all we can do. I'm also trying to come out with a new video, and the next week I will be doing it. So you guys get those alerts going. I'll let you guys know when I'm about to post. Hopefully I stay pretty persistent for you guys, and hopefully you really like my video and enjoy them. Sorry it's really terrible quality. I promise I'll start using my camera as soon as I move, but I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy yourself.
And I think it looks awesome. It doesn't equip a lot, but hey, even if it's just for that extra thing that you need in an apartment where you can't really hang much or don't really have that much money to work with, this is definitely sufficient enough. Sorry I didn't hang it myself. I am moving soon, so I didn't really see a reason why, but hopefully you guys like and subscribe to my channel, and I will make sure I come back with videos at least once every 2 weeks. I'm doing my best, and after I move I will start recording with my camera.